This video will show you how to back up a dataset with 2.1.9. As you can see, when you open up Platform Control, there's a button which says Backup Dataset. When you click it, it will ask you, have you used Service Manager to back up all platform services to the core server? I'm going to say no because I have not done this. So next, I will open up Service Manager. I will right-click on the Services folder and choose Backup Service Now. I'm going to go ahead and pause this while it does the backup. Now that the backup is completed, we can go back to the Platform Control, click the Backup Dataset button, and click Yes. Next, it's going to ask us where we want to save the backup. I'm going to create a folder on the desktop. And click OK. Now it's going to back up the dataset to this directory. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and come back when it finishes. When the backup completes, you'll get a message saying that it completed successfully. Go ahead and click OK. Now, if for some reason you need to use this backup to start the dataset up, what you'll need to do is stop your current dataset. Then we'll navigate to our backup. And click OK. Now, there is a known bug with 2.1.9, and it will be fixed in a future release. Normally, you can just start it up by the backup by browsing to the dataset, but what we'll need to do is append /data to this directory location. Once again, that'll be fixed in a future release. So now that that's been done, if we go into Service Manager, we'll see that all of our services are now running and we have a new dataset. Now I'd like to show the example of creating a dataset backup from one machine and moving it to another machine. So I'm going to start up this backup that I currently have on my machine, which came from a client server. Now, when I open up Service Manager, what you're going to see is that the services are not running, and there are two computers listed here. This server, VE11, is the client machine, the client server, and this machine is my local machine. So what I need to do is remove the old server, and then I need to deploy the services onto the new machine by right-clicking on Services and choosing Deploy Service. Now I'm going to go ahead and click pause here because it's going to take a few minutes for these services to install. As you can see, the services are up and running. I have a few services here that are highlighted in yellow because they are currently not running, but that's okay. These are custom services that were particular to this customer, and I do not need them running on my server.